Hello, my name is Lori Jackson, and I am former Girl Scout troop leader for Girl Scout Troop 518 and former PTA president here in Wyandanch. I would recommend Tracy Wilkins Francis and Anna Jean Publishing to all children from pre-K through middle school. They will enjoy her books and the wide variety of content that she has available for all children in those age groups. When planning different activities and events as a PTA president or Girl Scout troop leader, it was very difficult to find a vendor who would be able to cater to a diverse group of young adults and children, and to be able to bring your own supplies and activities that go along, and also able to engage with the crowd as well. And this is what Tracy Wilkins Francis was able to do for us. The best thing I like about Annie Jean Publishing and Tracy Wilkes Francis is that she brings so much energy and motivation in her delivery. Her activities and events is geared to all students of all ages, and she brings so much motivation and pride when she does it that it makes all students want to grab a book and to read it. Her storylines and her writing is so appealing to all children of all ages, and it's real life that happens in these stories, so these students are able to connect with those readings and books that she have written, which makes it even more fun to read. Anna Jean Publishing is my go-to. Anytime I need an event or activity that involves children, I call Tracy Wilkins Francis, and I know she will be able to deliver any activity or event that I need and to make it fun for these students with no hassle. I don't have to buy anything, I don't have to provide anything, I don't have to prepare for anything because she has all of that ready to go. I just sit back, have fun, and enjoy the show.